This is a very important task you need to do before your first freezes happen. It is amending your soil or raised bed gardens. So my pots, I usually wait until the spring, and I'll do a video of that in the spring, so I encourage you to subscribe so you're able to see that. But for your raised bed gardens, what you want to do is you want to put a good 2 to 3 inch layer of compost down. So I had recently filled it up probably about to the level it is now, and throughout the course of the season it sunk down all the way to to about the halfway point. So just adding some either good potting soil, garden soil, whatever's on sale, especially at the end of blowout. People and stores are trying to get rid of stuff, so that's why I got these for only $5, and these are actually really good soil conditioner. This is a really good product, not sponsored or anything, just something that I really like. And you can see this top layer, that's all that this is. It's the like wood chips and compost and manures. And also I put a little bit of native soil in to get that more fungal activity growing, which is also important. Unless your native soil is pure clay, I do recommend putting in about 1/3 of native soil to about 2/3 of refreshed either good source of potting soil or a soil conditioner like this one. The other thing you can do is drop a bunch of leaves and clippings, as long as there's no disease and they're perfectly healthy leaves. Just go ahead, and same with fall leaves. You can see that the leaves are continuing to fall. Rake those up, put them on your raised garden bed. That will provide a nice layer of insulation. I recommend, if you can get them, at least 2 inches of leaves. I still got a ways to go, as you can see. Also, you can bury your kitchen scraps. That's some of the ones that were no good, were split open or whatever, had bugs. Just go ahead, make a pretty good size hole and bury them. You just don't want the saplings coming up in the spring, so bury them a good 10-12 inches, which is pretty easy in a nice loamy soil, as most raised bed gardens are. So I hope you liked this video and got something out of it. It's just something that freezes and frosts are coming rapidly this time of year, so it's a very important task that you can get ready to have your garden set up for success in spring, so you can just plant your early spring crops such as kale and carrots and peas straight away, and you don't have to worry about adding soil back in when that time comes. So until I see you in the next video, I hope you subscribe and get on growing.